tree. Christmas tree. Mama say Christmas tree. Christmas tree. And we're about to put up our Christmas tree finally, so let's get started. But first, did y'all see the outfit? Okay, now I can change. Look, you have one too, like mommy. Look at you. So this year's tree is a 6-foot pre-lit Madison pine black tree. Okay, so the theme for this year's tree is Minnie Mouse, Mommy and Daughter Edition. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and set it up because I haven't set up a tree before. This is like my first, no, it is my first tree setting up. So it's just, let's just open this in. Hold on, I need to do it like that. This is the tree. That's how you do that. So you slide it up. Okay. Hat. Hat's done. You take this piece out and just put it on against first.
I did.
Just gotta flip it out. Oh, tree, mama. Okay, as you can see, this is part. Look at Brittney. She does not care about the equipment. Can you leave it alone? Hold on. Anyway, back to what I was saying. This is part 2 of the tree lighting, decorating setup. As y'all can see, Miss Diva over here is up and fluffed, but now we have to put on her accessories. Now my mom didn't buy the clips for the ornaments, so this is about to be a 3-day process. Do you want to speak? Do you want to say something? Okay, so yeah. We have one ornament. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see it? Let me zoom in. I think this ornament is so cute. Okay, let's see what I can get done before Breland tears up my. So, yeah. Yeah. Candy.
Get it, mama. Get it.
Finally got my clamps. Come on, mama. Where you want to put it? Right here? Mama, you putting it on there? You are? You putting it on there? You did that? You doing it? You doing it? Put it on the tree. The tree. See? Oh, mommy dropped it. Yeah, mama. The last ornament I'm gonna put on. Well, it's not really the last, but this is another ornament for Breland. She has her very first ornament right there. The OG ornament for me is right here. But yeah, you have to write their name on it. I thought it said it on here. You're supposed to write their name on here as well as put their handprint. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow because this just takes 2 hours to dry. Can y'all see that? Hold on. Does it take 2 hours to dry? So I'm supposed to hang it up now for video purposes, but I'll just redo it in the morning. Or I could just do it now. I don't know. Put the paint on here. Here. Oh, let's see if we can get it done. Uh-oh. Look. Come. Let me see your hand. Your hand. Okay, let me see your hand. Open your hand. Wait, mama. No. Oh, that's a mess. So it looks like this is gonna have to get done in her sleep. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. With you wide awake. No ma'am. No ma'am. We tried. Let me see. Yeah, no, you keep it. Yeah, your hand. This your hand? Let me wipe your hand off. I'm gonna do it while you sleep. Can I do it while you sleep? This ain't gonna work like this. Yeah, see? So yeah. What? It's not a ball, mama. It's an ornament. Look, I wrote her name. I wrote her name. And I'm gonna do the paint while she's asleep and let it dry. But for right now, I don't know where this goes for this. Oh, you tied it around. I'm assuming you tied this on the string. Give it to. Oh, she done took the paint. Give me the paint. Give me the paint. This is why you do stuff like this when they sleep and she got paint on her face. Look this. Breland, look. Why your face look like that? Breland. Breland, look. Why is that on your face? Who told you to eat the paint? Who told you to eat the paint? Okay, Breland. I hit. Mama, really? Are you gonna put it back? Okay. But yeah, this is the finished ornament. This is the finished product. I'm going to do that last ornament tomorrow. I might add, what is it called? I think it's like a garland or something just to fill in the empty spaces. I don't know if it's necessary. Oh, okay. let's move away from this tree before Princess B tears it up. Okay, yes, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And tomorrow I will be doing a second video on my mini tree that I have. So now that I have the hang of this one, that one should be like that. Okay, so let's take a picture and we are done. Yeah.